This magnificent hull form belongs to the ultra-impressive Sport Motor Yacht 68 from Riviera. There's a spacious foredeck for either guests or your tender, with silence the key feature both up here forward and also inside.
Quiet, very smooth Sport Motor Yacht 68 from Riviera.
Here she is with some of her smaller siblings, creating an imposing yet totally sleek profile, which gives her an incredible presence. Command, in the true sense of the word, from this particular room with a view. The Helm Station occupies pride of place in the ginormous bridge that also converts into the biggest stateroom on the boat with its own private Juliet deck. When manoeuvring, it is important to keep a lookout up forward and out to the starboard side, as there is a lot of boat to consider. The fingertip controls are brilliant and effective, with the bite from the large 39-inch main wheels and the thrusters the size of a lot of pod drives, making it all somewhat effortless. You'll be your very own Captain Araldite. The twin 1550 horsepower MANs will crank her up to 32 knots, planing from the high teens, and the bi-turbo V12 iron ladies have enough torque to do so speedily, which just adds to the whole enjoyment. We're going to do a left-hand turn shortly and enjoy this beautiful motorcraft, the lovely Sport Motor Yacht 68 from Riviera. Yeah, can even get 50 tonne up in there, hey? Why not? We're off. Left hand down. And that's about inside, yeah, we say about 2.5 boat lengths. We're back around. Quite an amazing achievement, given that she's probably damn close to 60 tonne heavy ship, 45 light ship. So when we say this is a spacious vessel, we really, really, really mean it. Down below we have an island bed up forward in the VIP stateroom that has its own head. There are twin bunk cabins, a day head and a full beam owner's stateroom as well. Out aft, there is a mezzanine deck which has direct access to the galley and a large cockpit for fishing and fun. The galley has all Miele appliances, and there are fridges literally everywhere you look around the whole boat. So it's no wonder a vessel such as this is a film star. Those fortunate enough to be on board will feel more than special as Riviera's Sport Motor Yacht 68 whisks them away.